In this video, I will explain segments in Google Analytics. I will also walk you through the process of creating segments as well as advanced segments in Google Analytics. But before we go into the video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss any new videos from me, and like this video. So if you're ready, let's dive in. A segment is a subset of your data. It allows you to measure how a particular subset is behaving, engaging, or converting. You can compare multiple segments on a report. The segments can be created on users or sessions. User segments track a user behavior across multiple sessions within 90 days time frame. Session segments look at a user's behavior within that session. There are two types of segments, default or system, that have been created by Google Analytics, and custom segments that you can create on your own. A segment is made up of one or more filters. These filters are non-destructive, meaning they do not change the underlying data. These filters create subsets of users, sessions, and hits. Some of the examples are users who added item to their shopping carts, all sessions from mobile devices, and then all hits in which revenue was greater than 20. You can include filters for users, sessions, and hits in the same segment. So you can combine them to create the desired segment. To create a segment and add a segment to a report, click on Add Segment, and this is where you can create or pick a segment. So you've got system segments, which are the default segments provided to you by Google Analytics, and then you can create custom segments by clicking on New Segment. These segments can be created based on the demographics, age, gender, language, affinity category, in-market segments, and location, technology, operating system, browser, screen resolution, device, behavior, number of sessions, days since last session, transactions and session duration, day of first session, traffic sources, and e-commerce criteria. You can also add advanced conditions as well as use sequence of user interactions such as page views and events to create these segments. You can specify multiple criteria to come up with the desired segment. Few other things to remember. You can import segments or share them to the solution gallery. When you share a segment, you do not share any of your data. You just share the definition, the template. And segments are applied after the sampling is done. So if your reports are based on sampling, then first the sampling will apply and then the segments will be created. I hope you enjoyed this video about segmentation in Google Analytics. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also make sure to check the description of this video because there are some important links to help you get some free training. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.